Oh, what a big one.
Oh, look at the cheese. Okay, see. So now we have arrived at Docks Bruxsel. Hey guys, this is Sana and welcome to Street Around You. And today we are in Brussels, Belgium. So today we are going to be exploring some street food and we are going to do some shopping. So let's start with some pizzas. Dun, 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 dun. We are in Pizza Hut. So let's go in.
Pizza Hut is near Helmet. That's a very famous shop here. So we will try. Let's see what we can have. So this is a very clean and a nice sitting area. So they are maintaining some distance between these two chairs. So overall, it's a very good one. We ordered chicken pizza, large.
Barbecue chicken pizza, large. Wow.
Wow.
Ooh, nice.
Inside is really good. A very good sitting arrangement here. See the wall. Wow. See how the color contrast is changing.
So let's take a seat over here. Sit on the sofa. Yeah.
Wow. What a clean, nice arrangement. So hope they serve very tasty pizza too. Let's see.
So they have started to make the pizza. So the pizza dough first. Bell pepper, also known as capsicum. Red bell pepper. Some onions.
Chicken.
Okay, so that's the chicken we added. Some
Herbs.
herbs. crust below it just gets nicely roasted and stuff.
What a big one. What a big one.
It's really beautiful. Whoa, look at the cheese. Okay, stop. Hey, stop
Oh.
stretching.
Foot long cheese trail.
Stop. Get up. Okay. Ow, ow, ow. It's really hot. Okay. Wow. It's really yummy. So cheesy. Oh my god. There's like, the cheese is like bursting in my mouth. It's so cheesy. The chicken. I want to try the chicken. It's really, I don't know. It's really good. Yummy. Oh, no, 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 no. Cheesy noodles. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna try some of this drink. Mojito. It's really blue. I've never tried a blue drink. Not that good.
Okay, it's not that good. This is the first time we tried.
I'm never trying blue drinks again. Okay, I'm just going to eat the pizza.
Okay. Let's Anna complete this pizza. We will. After that, there will be a lot of exciting tour we have. We are going to go somewhere famous shopping mall which is called Docks Bruxsel. We are going to there soon.
It's really good. So now we have arrived at Docks Bruxsel. So this is a shopping mall. Not this. That is a shopping mall. So let's go.
So now we arrived Docks Brussels. We have to be very careful for this corona things. Plenty of people are here. Let's see. We won't spend much time. Just few hours. So it's a nearby train station. The stop itself, Docks Bruxsel.
So let's go. Okay, so let's start.